running kind of behind. Might not make the event I wanted to, but I had to clean my car. You should stretch before you shoot. On my way to this shoot, I had to get something to eat. Got a burrito from Moe's. I never had one, so we're gonna see what it's hitting for. Woo, that was good. Kind of got the itis, but I gotta go. Time to get some new SD cards, cause 125s ain't cutting it. Back on the good and trusty T5i. You know what? I'm gonna trust the autofocus for this today, even though it already looks like it's doing a lot. Like I'm not moving that much. I don't even know if I'm going the right way, but we'll find out. Something we can do right now. Yeah, it's like a lot of like the parent shots, kid shots. Like a lot of those are tonight. Right? Yeah. Definitely. The other stuff that you can feel them over.
That's it.
So then that's what we're doing. We're shooting. I'm going to get back to the shooting.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
I'll see you.
Be here for you.
Wrapped up shooting for right now. Coming out great. Yo, this 90D, man, this is something. Heavy, but something. Shoot the next part, though. Of course, on the one day that I'm physically able to sleep in, I gotta wake up and be somewhere. That's fine. Shoot last night came out great, kinda long, but came out great. I mean, there's definitely some stuff that they do at their church that I'm gonna take and just tell my dad and our pastor that we should try. But, gotta be up to go now and film our church. First though, there's always this little like car show that they always have like down the street from my house. It's raining today, but I wanna see if I can go through and get some pictures of there, so. See if they open, then I'm gonna go change because I look like yesterday. And of course, since it's about to rain, they're not there. Dang it. About to run in the store real quick before I go to church. I need a little breakfast smoothie and I want to grab some batteries so I can test this little lavalier, I don't know how to say it. This new mic. It's raining. Yeah, that's good. I just know we got a brain for right. Cold. Alright, let's go.
Hi.
How you doing?
How are you? Good to see you.
I love your show. I subscribe so I can find out.
Thank you. Yep.
Subscribe.
Now when you look at the camera, you see that you're gonna be in it.
Gotta get a phone charger. Kinda hungry. I'm going back to Mo's. You know, most videographers get their start doing music videos. I mean, I shoot music videos, but as you can see, make my bones in the church, ironically enough. I was gonna find some more stuff to do, but I already got enough to do. I'm stacked up on client edits, personal edits, so I'm gonna get those done. But first, I gotta finish this vlog. So, how to charge for videos. I think where a lot of people go wrong is they try and come in hot. You gotta know where you stand. And most of the time, if you're watching this, you listen to this, you're just getting started. So if you're just getting started, you shouldn't be looking at the next person trying to figure out, okay, well, they're doing this, so I should be getting this. No, you gotta have a base. And what's your base? You're just making it. So when you're first getting started, don't be greedy. Just kind of, it's a take what you could get when you first starting out. Sure, you might be getting some money. You want some money, but that's not the important part. Because the money ain't necessarily what's going to make you money later. What's going to make you money later is the experience. And a lot of times, experience, it's not hard to come by. It just depends on what you want to take to get it. So, how do you get experience? Do something for free. I know, it's mind blowing, right? But you'll get to the end and probably realize the amount of work that you put in. Man, I'm doing a video, can you not beat? The amount of work that you put in and what it's gonna cost. So you'll get there and realize, all right, this is this, and then cut it down a little more. And that might be your first price. You just first getting started out. Cause like you have to have something to pull from. So sometimes you gotta do it for free. And pull from there. Or you might get to the end, you do such an amazing job that the free job says, hey, I'll give you this. And then that might be another thing to kind of base it from. You add that on to, you figure out your pricing, but you need analytics and analysis to pull from. You need information. And sometimes the best way to get information quick enough when you're just trying to get it, do it for free. Get out there, get the experience. Find somebody you like, find a artist, a company, a business, anything. Just get out there and shoot. Because once you get out there and just start shooting anything, you'll realize something.
Is that fun? I was like, wait, no, that's fun.
I was pulling around the corner, I was like, yo, that's not him pulling on my blog. It was good, cookies, no milk.
Gang shit. Gang shit. Out here, fuck.
So yeah, are you gonna light that while we're? So yeah, you shouldn't box yourself in. That's what I'm learning. Ooh, they spin the block. Oh shit. One of the most important things, don't box it. He gonna kill us. God damn it. Don't box yourself in. That's what I'm learning most importantly now. That's why I've been getting more into the photography thing. Just can't stay in the same box. That's all I got for now. Let's go light these fireworks.
Just take a night for yourself. All you girls play squad and tell them that we getting into something. The night's young, the sun night, with the summer we gon' let the city jump. Just take a night off, night off, night off, night off, night off.
You know, whatever happens from here is all your fault.
Wow, you the one who said you want to keep going. I just gave a please.
You're right.
Right now, I don't care how easy, can't mess with my brain. I look in your
Oh, I rolled my ankle. Trying to be a young kid running through the park. Regular old man.